Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this fabulous unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay Divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by SOGOODSHOP. So thank you SOGOODSHOP for bringing this video to my divas so that I can share this fabulous hair with them. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs and whether or not I think you should get this unit, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so today we have a unit by the Vivica Fox hair collection, and we have her in the style Miriam, and I have her in the color number 1B. So I'm just showing you guys the packaging and the stock cards so you guys can get any additional information that you would like. And this is a Swiss lace unit. So here is the unit. The density is full, as you guys can see. So there's some beautiful glamorous waves. I already know I'm gonna love it. So here's the cap construction, and it is big head friendly. And it also comes with your 2 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back with the adjustable strap, and it does come with a lace parting. And once again, this is Swiss lace, and Swiss lace just means that it is going to be soft. Overall, I think the construction of this cap is really nice. So here is the parting area. The parting area is nice as well. I'm just going to add powder. You can go in and pluck it if you would like to, but I honestly don't think that is necessary. I feel like the parting space just needs a bit of powder for my skin tone. So here's the unit just straight onto my head, and it does fall at about maybe 14 to 16 inches on me, which is absolutely fine. This is like the perfect length, and I'm just loving these waves. Now I'm going to run my fingers through it to see if there's any shedding. There was very minimal shedding and very minimal tangling as well, as you guys can see. And I'm just shifting the unit to show you guys that you can go ahead and shift it if you would like to, because I know some of you divas do not like a middle part. So yeah, you can go ahead and shift it if you would like to, and it'll look perfect. So I just went in and added my Maybelline Fit Me Powder, which I'm going to show you guys. I forgot to do it on camera, sorry. So this unit also comes with baby hairs, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay those down. Or it's like very little too. I didn't have to go in and cut it or anything. It's like the perfect amount of baby hair. But overall, I really do like this unit. It's very glamorous, it's super gorgeous, and it's a simple slay. All you have to do is cut off the lace and put your powder, and girl, you are gonna be slaying. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this fabulous hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So you guys, this hair is just all the way me. These glamorous waves, they look like some modern vintage glamorous waves, and I'm just in love with these waves, you guys. Like, this hair, I knew it was gonna win me over because of the sock card model. I was just hoping, like, okay, I hope it's the same thing, because this unit is just so glamorous, and you guys know I live for a glamorous unit, and this is exactly that. Another thing that really won me over is because this is a super easy slay. You can just go ahead and add powder to your parting, and it even comes with a little bit of baby hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I did just lay it down with my Gorilla Snot. And I just feel like that gives a really natural touch to the unit. And then I was happy because I didn't have to like use any of my hair, so that was really good. And I don't know, like, this is just, I mean, this is just a simple slay. Like, this parting area is absolutely amazing. I really do like it. It's just like, this is just a gorgeous wig, like, and I am just blown away because these waves, you guys, like, do you see these waves? And then they have a little bit of texture to them, and they're just, this wig is just the perfect density. Like, I just really do like this unit. Like, I'm telling you, no word of a lie, like, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. Like, do you guys see it? So would I recommend this unit? Yes, definitely I would recommend this unit. It is so gorgeous and so glamorous. Like, I just feel like this unit is just absolutely fabulous. The parting area is really nice. The cap construction is really nice. It comes with like, there's just nothing wrong with this unit. So I would definitely recommend it, divas. I will have a link down in the description box below where you guys can go and purchase her. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I really do love this unit. I mean, I wasn't gonna sit here and have you talk to you guys for 5 minutes about how much I love it. You guys should have known I was gonna love it once it came out the pack and it was on my head. When you saw those glamorous waves, had me there. Parting Space had me there. So yeah, so I don't hold you guys too long, I would definitely recommend it. We'll have a link in the description box below. Be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you guys did find this video very helpful and easy to follow, and be sure to comment down below in case I forgot anything, or if you have any additional, you know, questions for me, or you just want to leave me a comment. I would love to communicate with you lovely divas. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, girl. Like, I kick those videos out, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you fabulous, beautiful divas in my next video. Bye.